Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing a BoxyCharm unboxing. This is the second month that I have gotten BoxyCharm, so this time I decided to unbox it with you and try out all of the products on camera so we can see how they work. So if you want to see what's in my BoxyCharm this month, then just keep watching. All right, so the theme for the month is sunshine. This card gives a description of all of the products and what the prices are for the products in the box. So the first thing we are going to get into is this Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. This says it's a powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extracts come together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. This vitamin C brightening booster brightens the complexion for glowing skin, protects against UV damage, and helps reduce eventual signs of aging. So I have just washed my face and applied my toner. So now I'm going to give this a try. This is a full-size item. Oh, that is a pretty bottle. Look at that. So this retails for $49.95. So that's already double what we paid for the box. I just get the normal BoxyCharm subscription, which is $25 a month, I believe. I think so. So we're just gonna try this out. Comes in a dropper. So I'm just gonna apply a few drops to my skin. Love vitamin C. Feels really nice. Apply a little bit to the neck area as well. Feels really good. Feels like it absorbed into the skin nicely. Obviously this is something that I'm going to have to try for quite some time to really see how it feels, but so far so good. I'm going to apply some moisturizer and some foundation, and then we will get right back to it. Okay, I've got my foundation on and I've got my eyebrows on. I used my Alastin Skincare Hydratint Pro Mineral Sunscreen. So I use this as like a tinted moisturizer because it just evens out my skin tone. I use my moisturizer underneath this, but this gives me SPF and evens out my skin because I don't love full coverage foundation, so this is enough for me. And then for my brows, some new stuff I've been using is from Glossier. I've used their Brow Flick, and I think I got the shade Black. Yeah, Black. And then their Boy Brow in Black as well. So the Brow Flick is like a pen where you can just kind of draw like hair strokes. And then their Boy Brow is the like tinted brow gel, and I just love the way it makes my brows look. So moving on from our box next, two things we're going to be using next is the Studio Makeup Endurance Cream Eyeshadow. This is really pretty. I have this shade Pink, so we're going to be using this today for our eyeshadow. And then the other product is from Lavish, I believe is the brand. Yeah, Lavish. This is our Quick Color Switch Dry Brush Cleaner. So it says you can quickly remove powder pigments from makeup brushes without water. It's reusable and washable. So it's like a little sponge in here, and you can take, actually, I have a makeup brush that has orange eyeshadow on it, so let's see if it works. You just rub it in here. It's supposed to get all the color off, or at least the majority of it. Swirl it around. I mean, that got a lot of the product off, and you should be able to use it right away. So that is that. I love this, especially when you're doing like colorful eye makeup looks. It's really nice to use this to get some color off if you want to use the same brush for 2 different colors. So while we're doing eyes, since we didn't get any eyeshadow besides the cream shadow in the palette, I may use a bronzer from our Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise palette. Ace Beauty is actually a Black-owned makeup brand, so I'm glad that they sent this in the box this month. This says 4 bronzer shades. It can be layered on top of liquid cream or other powder makeup products. This is $30. Oh, I forgot to tell you what the color switch. This is normally $17. And then the Studio Makeup Cream Eyeshadow is normally $25. This bronzer palette comes with 4 different bronzer shades. I may never use this one, but this would be a really pretty eyeshadow color. It's got like a nice red undertone. So I may just throw one of these or a mixture of these into my crease and then apply the cream shadow. But let's see. I'm not really sure. I may just apply the cream shadow on my lid and just kind of blend it out with my finger. Let's see. Seems very wet, which is not a terrible thing. Gotta make sure I get some on the inner corner. It's very like glittery. I don't hate it. That's actually pretty on its own. Let's apply some to the other eye. Okay, so I kind of like just the sparkle all over the eye. Gives me like Ariana Grande vibes. So I think we're just gonna leave it at that. Do like a nice simple look. I've got glitter all over my finger. Okay, and I have extensions, so I'm just going to brush these out. Make sure they look nice. They're looking a little crazy. I need a fill, but it's fine. So next we'll move on to the face. I'm really liking just the like all over sparkle on the eye. Love that. So we're gonna go in with the bronzer palette. Like I said, I already have my foundation and some powder on. So I'm going to take my Sigma large angled contour brush and just kind of dip back and forth into these first 2 shades. Tap off the excess and just apply to my cheeks. Take a little bit onto my forehead. I'm gonna take the bronzer onto my cheeks and a little bit over my nose, and then we'll take some along our jawline and kind of brush it down. Blend that down, blend it down. I'm gonna take like a dab of this 3rd darker shade just to give us a little bit more color. These are very pigmented, so like you really want to pick up just the smallest amount and really tap off your brush so that you don't get too much bronzer. We don't need too much. I'm going to take a smaller brush right here and that second shade right here and just do a little nose contour. I like to just apply some to the bottom of my nose and the teeniest bit to the edges right here. And that's really it for that. So I'm really liking this. I think it has a really good color selection. This lightest color will be really nice for fair skin, and then it goes pretty deep, so that would be really nice for a dark skin tone. I think it looks nice. It gave us some color, some warmth. For blush, I'm just gonna throw on my NARS Orgasm blush, and let's just use the same brush, just a little. And then for highlight, I want to try out one of the products that I got in last month's box that I haven't used yet. This is from Artist Couture. It's their Diamond Glow Powder in Illuminati. I've heard really good things about these. So, such pretty packaging. It's like a loose highlighter. So I'm a little worried. I don't know. How do I get this out? Okay, I got it open, but I got loose powder or loose highlighter everywhere, but it's fine. It's fine. It's literally all over me. Okay, I'm going to take my Real Techniques setting brush that I like to use for highlighter and pick up a little bit. I know these are so pigmented, so I'm going to like really tap off the excess in the cap, and then, oh, fuck. That is so pigmented and so glowy. We're not even gonna pick up any extra besides what's in the cap. Dang, that is so pretty. I'm just gonna put that all over. We'll take a little bit on the tip of our nose. It's like my favorite place to highlight. Love. Some on our lip. And then on our chin. Okay, love that, love that. Pretty. Maybe we'll take a little bit on like our inner corner. Add to our glitter. Pretty. Love that. That was in my box last month. Hadn't tried it yet, so I figured we would do that as well. Last product is from Alamar Cosmetics. This is the Birthday Suit Lip Gloss. So this is a universal pink diamond dripped gloss. The color is Birthday Suit. So I'm really excited to use this. Let's line our lips first with my Kylie lip liner that I don't know where it is, so 1 second. Okay, so I've got my Kylie Jenner lip gloss in the shade Kylie. This is my favorite. Just gonna line my lips. Fill in the corners. by filling in the corners over here, that creates more definition. Makes your lips look a little bit bigger. And now we're gonna try the gloss. I love lip gloss. I've heard really good things about this brand as well. Ooh, okay, that's what the applicator looks like. Smells like vanilla. Okay, something I'm noticing is that not a ton of product comes out on the applicator, and I actually really enjoy that when it comes to gloss, because I hate when you apply gloss and there's like too much product and it's just like gooped on your lips. But I'm loving this color. So pretty. 10 out of 10. Definitely love this. And that's it. So let's take a little quick recap. Vitamin C serum, obviously, again, like I said earlier, something that I'm going to have to use a couple times to really tell if I like it or not, but so far, so good. We also got the, where'd it go? Oh, the Studio Makeup Endurance Cream Eyeshadow. I really like it. It's very glittery, but I think it looks really pretty all over the eye. And then we got the Lavish Quick Color Switch makeup brush cleaner. Again, where'd that brush go? Oh, I used that for, what did I use this for? Oh, bronzer. So again, just take your makeup brush, dip it in, swirl it around. You can do the same thing with this brush, dip it in, swirl it around, get all that glitter highlight from Artist Couture off. Good as new, good to use. And it doesn't get wet or anything. It's just a dry brush cleaner. So love that. You can never go wrong with something like this. Next, the Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise palette. Love it. Love the variety in shades in this palette. It is really pigmented, so just use a light hand, but again, can never go wrong with a bronzer palette. And then last product is the Alamard Cosmetics lip gloss in Birthday Suit. Again, really pretty. Makes my lips look really glossy. Love. Will throw this in my purse and continue to use it. So definitely am really loving everything from this box. If you want to sign up for BoxyCharm, there will be a link in the description box. You can click and sign up and get July's box. And it's only $25 a month. And they will send you 5 full-size products every month. And that's really it. If you like these unboxing videos, let me know down below. If you got different products in your box this month, let me know what you got. Or if you got any of the same products, let me know how you're liking them. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.